What's up everyone, welcome back to another dividend portfolio update video. If this is your first video, on this channel I do weekly update videos on my dividend portfolio when I do my weekly deposits to see how my portfolio is doing, what dividends I've received, and which of my stocks are up or down on the week. This week we're red, which isn't a big deal. Hopefully I will be able to get some of my stocks at a cheaper cost basis. Let's take a look at some of this week's buys and how the portfolio did. So you can see just by the graph we're kind of flat. It kind of dissolved my purchase for the week. We got 23 buys. Alright, we have $42 in Walgreens, $30 in Union Pacific, $9 in Pepsi, $23 in SPHD, $11 in Texas Instrument, $22 in AT&T, $29 in Kimberly-Clark, $36 in Clorox, $18 in SCHD, $26 in Procter & Gamble, $32 in Verizon, $9 in Altria, $4.83 in Coke, $15 in General Mills, $17 in Home Depot, $13 in McDonald's, $11 in Air Products, $14 in Target, $14 in Realty Income, $32 in Abivai, $43, almost $44 in JP Morgan, $35 in Clorox, and $10.57 in Johnson & Johnson for the week. That is $502 for our $500 weekly deposits. Right off the bat you can see we are not up the $500 that we added. We're actually down almost the entire $500 that we added, which like I said earlier is not that big of a deal. We're long-term investors. The chart will continue to go up and to the right, guys. I want to take a quick second to say thank you so much for getting me up over 300 subscribers, guys. We're already 300 plus. Next goal is 500. At this rate, we should be there in a week or so. I am so pumped that you guys are loving this. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's keep going into it. So I updated the dividend tracker here. This is where I updated it. So you can see we're up to $747 per year in dividend income. We've got about a 3.6 yield on cost. We've already gone through how diversified we are. Here's just a little bit more of the yields of the companies. We'll sort by the highest, just so you can get a quick rundown. We'll go through all of them here. I really like my stocks. I'm thinking about switching one or two of them out. I still haven't made the full decision. I appreciate you guys' comments about it. Alright, let's check out the payout calendar. So you can see we're going to be making $18 in March, $13.97 in April, $35.81 in May, $18.01 in June, $19.50 in July, $30.28 in August, $18.01 in September, $25.39 in October, $24.39 in November, $18.01 in December, $25.39 in January, and $24.39 in February would be the full calendar year. It even shows you what day, tells you how much you're going to get paid from each company on what days. This is a very nice free tracker, guys. It's called the Dividend Tracker at thedividendtracker.com. Not a promotion, just a really nice dividend tracker that I'm going to keep using. So if you guys would like one and don't have one already, that's the name of it. It even shows the payout for ahead of time, the next 3, 4, 5 earnings, it looks like. Well, that's wild. Just in case you're curious and want to plan ahead, there's the dates. And then when you get all the way to the bottom, if this were to be updated incrementally, you would see the chart going up in such a way. But since I dumped all the information in at once, it's just this big jump. But here's still the $739 per year that were estimated. Let's jump back over to the portfolio. This week, yeah, it's looking sideways to down. We were at 20,159. Looks like the lowest point was 19,873, but we finished with $20,040, which, kind of deleted it absorbed my $500 deposit, but like I say, it's part of the game. We're going to keep throwing money into it for a long time. We're just getting started. We've got 11 cents left. We've got our auto invest on. I've got it set up with my bank to where it's all going to be completely auto from this point. I don't have to do anything. So it'll be withdrawn from my bank and invested on probably Thursdays, if not Friday mornings. I will continue to make these update videos for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. We're trying to get this channel to monetization as quick as possible. That's going to be the recap for this week, guys. Until next Friday, have a great week and peace.